Question. PS. If negative x squared plus 2 times x plus 8 is greater than 0, which of the following inequalities must be true? Solution. Relationship between functions and inequalities. Y equals a times x squared plus b times x plus c. A is greater than 0. When a is positive, the parabolic equation will result in a sign of u, a parabola opening upwards. A is smaller than 0. When a is negative, the parabolic equation will result in a sign of n, a parabola opening downwards. The first fundamental concept in inequality. If a is greater than b, which is greater than c, then a is greater than b is greater than c, and a is greater than c. Also, if a is greater than x, and x is greater than b, then a is greater than x, which is greater than b. We are required to find the inequalities given in the options that would be true if negative x squared plus 2 times x plus 8 is greater than 0. Let us check the inequality. Y equals negative x squared plus 2 times x plus 8 is greater than 0. The function y equals negative x squared plus 2 times x plus 8 equals negative whole of x plus 2 times whole of x minus 4 means that x is negative 2 and 4 when y equals 0. Now, the above relation means a equals negative 1, and since a is smaller than 0, the parabola will open downwards. Also, the parabola will intersect the x-axis at negative 2 and 4. We are looking for negative x squared plus 2 times x plus 8 is greater than 0, which can be factorized as negative whole of x plus 2 times whole of x minus 4 is greater than 0, or whole of x plus 2 times whole of 4 minus x is greater than 0. Whole of 4 minus x times whole of x plus 2 is greater than 0 means that the factors 4 minus x and x plus 2 have the same sign. That is, 4 minus x is greater than 0 and x plus 2 is greater than 0, or 4 minus x is smaller than 0, or x plus 2 is smaller than 0. Which means 4 is greater than x and x is greater than negative 2, or 4 is smaller than x and x is smaller than negative 2. 4 is greater than x and x is greater than negative 2 means 4 is greater than x, which is greater than negative 2. By the first fundamental concept in inequality, 4 is smaller than x and x is smaller than negative 2 is empty because there is no number less than negative 2 that is greater than 4. Therefore, the range of x becomes negative 2 is smaller than x, which is smaller than 4, as shown in the figure above. Don't forget that the end of this graph goes down because a is equal to negative 1, which is smaller than 0. Thus, A is the correct answer. Answer A.